Hello and welcome back. I'm Dan Longnecker. In my years of designing and installing technology solutions for businesses, I've seen firsthand what separates a transformative upgrade from a frustrating, money-wasting disaster. It almost always comes down to planning. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 critical insights that you absolutely need to consider before you sign a single contract. Stick with me, and I'll give you the framework to ensure your next technology project is a massive success. All right, let's dive into the first and most fundamental point. You must anchor your upgrade to a concrete business objective. The why has to be crystal clear. Before you look into a single piece of hardware, you have to ask, what specific problem are we trying to solve? Are we trying to improve customer response time, reduce theft or inventory shrinkage, or maybe streamline a workflow that's costing us thousands in lost productivity? For example, saying you need a new phone system is vague, but saying we need a VoIP VoIP system that integrates with our CRM to cut down call logging time by 50%. That is a clear objective. That's a goal we can build a solution around. Let's say there was a client who wanted a top-of-the-line security cameras, but their real problem wasn't just theft, it was inefficient staff placement. So by defining the objective as improving operational oversight, we chose a system with intelligent analytics that did both, giving them a much bigger return than if they just said we needed a camera system. Without this fundamental step, you risk buying a solution that's just looking for a problem. Define the why first, and every decision after becomes clear. Insight number 2 is one that gets overlooked the most, and it's an absolute deal breaker. You have to conduct rigorous infrastructure audits. Imagine buying a brand new Ferrari, but the only road you have to drive on is here in Erie, Pennsylvania, is a crumbling dirt path. It doesn't matter how powerful the car is, you'll never get the performance that you paid for. Your technology infrastructure, your structured cabling, your network switches, your server room is that road. You need to ask, can our existing cabling handle the bandwidth of the new VoIP phones? Do we have enough power over Ethernet ports for the new cameras and access points? Is our network capable of prioritizing the voice and video traffic so that it doesn't have choppy and laggy and bad audio? Is the server room properly cooled with an AC system? Neglecting this audit is the #1 cause of bottlenecks and performance issues after an upgrade. A true technology partner won't just sell you new equipment. They will insist on evaluating your foundation first, making sure the new technology can perform at its peak. Okay, insight number 3 is thinking ahead. Prioritizing scalability and future-proofing. You need to build for tomorrow, today. Technology moves incredibly fast. The solution you buy today shouldn't just solve today's problems. It needs to be able to grow with your business 5 years from now. Another example, we once replaced a old school phone system for a company that doubled in size. They couldn't add any more phone lines because the system was maxed out on POTS lines, old school copper lines. They were forced into a complete expensive replacement. By choosing a scalable, modern system from the start, they could have simply added licenses at a fraction of the cost. So what does this mean in practice? You look for solutions built on open standards, not proprietary walled gardens that lock you in. Ask the vendor about their product roadmap. Will this system eventually support AI analytics? Can it integrate with other software that you might think about using in the future? An investment in scalability technology isn't just a purchase. It's a long-term strategic asset. This next one is non-negotiable. Insight number 4. You must embed robust cybersecurity from the very beginning. In today's world, security cannot be an afterthought. It's not a checkbox that you just tick at the end of a project. Every single new device you add to your network, an IP camera, a door access reader, a VoIP phone, is a potential doorway for a cyber threat if it's not properly secured. You need to be having serious security conversations with your technology partner. Ask them about data encryption, both in transit and at rest. Ask about multi-factor authentication, network segmentation, and their policy for releasing security patches. How often are they updated? A reputable manufacturer will be transparent about their security protocols. A great partner will make sure that those protocols are implemented correctly. Successful upgrade doesn't just improve your operations, it strengthens your defense and protects your business, its employees, and your customers. Insight number 5, it's all about the money, but looking at it the right way. You need to demand a transparent total cost of ownership analysis. The initial sticker price of new hardware or software is just the tip of the iceberg. To truly understand the financial impact, you have to look at the whole picture. Your TCO includes the initial purchase, yes, but also the cost of implementation, integration, and any ongoing monthly or annual software subscriptions, maintenance contracts, support agreements, and even employee training. Sometimes the cheaper upfront option can actually cost you far more over a 5-period time, say, due to high subscription fees or expensive maintenance. Let's take another real-world example. We had a customer comparing 2 systems. System A was 20% cheaper upfront, but System B had a much lower annual subscription fee and a more inclusive warranty. When we mapped out a 5-year TCO, total cost of ownership, System B was actually more affordable and a predictable option. A reputable partner will be happy to provide this analysis because it helps you make a truly informed financial decision and avoids any nasty surprises down the road. Insight number 6 is about your people, because even the best technology in the world is worthless if your team doesn't know or doesn't want to use it. A successful upgrade requires a meticulous implementation plan that minimizes disruption to your daily operations. But most importantly, it requires robust training. Your return on investment is directly proportional to how well your employees adopt the new tools and workflow. This means planning for it. Don't just schedule a 1-hour lunch and call it a day. Think about different learning styles, provide cheat sheets, video tutorials, designate a power user who can go around and help every one of their colleagues. The goal is to empower your employees and make them feel confident with new technology, not overwhelmed by it. A good plan ensures a smooth transition and makes sure you start seeing the benefits of your investment from day one, not 6 months down the line while everyone struggles to figure things out and complains and moans. This brings us to our final and arguably most important insight, number 7. Partner with a trusted and experienced advisor. Notice I didn't say vendor or installer. You need more than just someone who sells you boxes. You need a strategic partner who takes the time to understand your business, your goals from point number 1, and who has the expertise to guide you through all 6 of the other points we just discussed. A true partner has a proven track record. They're experts in infrastructure, system design, implementation, and ongoing support. They act as an extension of your team. They're the ones who will tell you cheaper option isn't right if it doesn't fit, or that you need to invest more in your cabling before buying the new cameras. Choosing the right partner is the single most critical decision you will make in this entire process. Their expertise is what ties everything together and ensures your project is a resounding success. So there you have it. 7 critical insights for your next commercial technology upgrade. From defining your why and auditing your foundation to planning for the future and choosing the right partner. By addressing these 7 points, you transform a potentially daunting and risky task into a powerful strategic advantage for your business. An upgrade done right isn't just about getting new equipment. It's about building a smarter, more secure, and more efficient future. If you're ready to elevate your business with a truly strategic technology upgrade, my team and I are here to help. Contact us today for a personalized consultation. We'd be happy to build a plan that delivers real results. Thanks for watching. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help make you smarter technology decisions. Hitting the like button really helps the algorithm and lets us know that we're putting out stuff that you want to see that can help you in your business. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.